guys, welcome to today's video. I got a Mustang video for you guys. You'll be happy about this one. So we got a challenger for the Mustang today. My friend Louis by his real name, is bringing by his 2012 Coyote Mustang, and he's challenged me to a street race. So we got to prep old girl right here to whoop him, because we got a mostly stock 4.6 and we're going up against a Gen 1 Coyote. And this is the state of our tires right now, so we're gonna have to switch these out because I'm not gonna lose because of spinning. We need some grip. He does have about 100 horsepower advantage on us, but we have a weight advantage. The pre-facelift S197s are a couple hundred pounds lighter. So I'm gonna take all the stuff out of my car and see how light I can get this thing before he gets here. We need all the advantage we can get. Won't be needing this junk. Damn it, I just heard thunder. We're gonna be racing the Florida weather, it looks like. I'm gonna pull out the back seats too. It'll probably save us a couple pounds. We got this thing half stripped. The rear of the interior is out of it, so that'll save us a little weight. With the wheel, jack, tools, rear seats, brackets, and that thing, we probably saved like 75 pounds maybe. I mean, 75 pounds is 75 pounds, and we're gonna need everything we can get. My competitor has arrived. Yeah, I just finished stripping the interior. I'm putting the Velinos on now too, so I don't spin.
Oh God, I'm gonna be spin safe.
But the Velinos might have a hole in them because this one was at 0 PSI.
Show him my tread.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, show him
This
tread.
here, let's show him around your car. Let's give him the rundown.
Stock Coyote. That's it.
Stock Coyote.
Nothing else.
With big meaty ass tires.
Which are bald and dead and don't have any lights up in them.
Yeah, they're a little bit bald. So, what size are they?
305.
305. All right. You're probably not gonna be spinning though. And maybe first gear.
Yeah.
Maybe first. But it's bone stock besides that. With a gear, it has a longer gear too.
That's about to explode.
Yeah, this is why we're changing these. These are completely bald. This is spinning through first and second, and that's, oh no, the rain's here. Crap. We're throwing on the Pergeras 265s. These are the grippy boys for the 240, so we're gonna have a lot of grip.
Yeah. So he's like, oh,
All right, well, we got the drag pack on. I'll show you guys what's under my hood for those of you who don't know, so we know what's going on with this race. It's a pretty much bone stock 4.6 3-valve. I have a JLT cold air intake, stock headers, catless X pipe, catback exhaust, and then a Bama tune, and then that's it for power mods. It's 5-speed manual. They're both manual cars. His is the 6-speed. You want to show us about your car?
Yeah.
Your hog?
Coyote. Stock. Nothing else.
You don't need nothing else.
Just a tire, 6-speed. Done.
I feel like this race is mostly going to come down to who's better at shifting. And because I feel like he has the better transmission, because I get locked out of second and third.
I get locked out of everything. So.
Oh yeah, well, we're both going to be fighting Ford lockouts, so this is just going to be the battle of transmissions probably.
See who blows it up first?
see who synchros grind the loudest. This is not ideal racing weather. As soon as you got here, it turned into this. The storm has mostly blown over, so we're ready to race. Two Mustangs going to race in the middle of a rainy storm. Ah! I don't know why I did that. Man, this really is not... What the hell, Florida? It was just sunny like 15 minutes ago, and now it's like completely gray and cloudy. Alright, it got really soggy. We might have to postpone this race. This is way too soggy to be racing. Yeah, it's getting worse. All right, guys, this street race video looks like it just turned into a drifting video because Florida did not want me to go street racing. Oh wow, these are grippy. These Velinos are grippy. Yeah, this is not road racing weather. I've always just wanted to race a Coyote because I want to know how my 3-valve stacks up against a Coyote. Because believe it or not, I've never really been in like a race with this car besides at like the drag strip. But I've never been in like a real like street race. And I was like one. All right, I've been in one street race. It was back when I first got this car. What the hell? It's completely dry here now. I raced a V6 2014 Mustang and I whooped them. And I was like, you know what? I won my street race. I don't need to be racing anymore. And that was the end of my street racing. We're going for attempt number 2 on the race. We've given Florida some time to think about changing its behavior. And the rain has stopped. Hopefully the roads stay dry so Louis hooks up. Because that thing's liable to Mustang on him. I drove that car and that thing is like pretty snappy. It's pretty slippery. It's pretty slippery. You want to just try a second gear and if you spin, we can just call it. All right, ready? No. I was spinning all the way through the top of third. All right. Yeah, that's not gonna work. It's way too wet. Hang on, I'm gonna drift this. Let me go first. I'm gonna do a skid after these cars. I'm gonna wait for 2 more. Or no, I'll just go now. It's grippy right here, dude. Let's line it up. Yeah, this is dry. Let's line it up. Did you spin? Were you spinning? Dude, my second was like perfect. It was just hazing the tire. Okay. Let's head back. That's enough for today. Yeah, we gotta run it back when it's fully dry to get a fair race. Damn, I can't believe we got him, but he was spinning, I think. I was spinning in second gear, but I think my tires got hot enough from doing that manji that it like was just enough to hook. So we were like hazing through second and then third hooked up perfectly. Look at the little 3-valve putting in work. those suspension mods are probably what got us to hook up against him. And he's on a bigger tire, but his is like bone stock suspension. We have the lower control arm relocation brackets. Yeah, those. We have those, which give us more drive and more forward bite. And we have all solid, or not all solid, we have all poly bushings in the rear, and we have coilovers. And we're stripped on a Volino, and they're warm. So all that combined is why we won, I guess. Leave a comment if you want to see us rerun it in the dry. So it's a more fair race next time, and maybe we can start from like a dig, because that wasn't the most fair race, but it was still fun. While I sit here clunking in traffic, I realized there's a new clunking coming from my rear end, and I don't like it. And I'm pretty sure I know exactly what it is. I'm pretty sure it's my adjustable upper control arm adjusting itself right now. Self-adjusting. This is where I got pulled over, guys. Oh, and she still hooks up. I wish it wasn't like bumpy, because this would be like really fun to come rip on. And it's such nice scenery too. Since the weather is only allowing us to get one run in, because it keeps raining every time we get on the highway, we just came to the old donut spot. I want to see how these Volinos feel on the Mustang, and I am itching to do a donut. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm an addict and I'm itching to do a donut. That's all it is. Let's see if Louis is gonna do one. Luigi might be out to hit it. Oh, understeer. That was some good understeer.
I know, right?
Could you?
Really low in the back. Holy shit, that's low.
Yeah.
Are you like squatting right now?
Yeah.
Or is it just the tires in the back?
This tire is smaller and it's squatted.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna say,
And I'm on a hill a little bit.
yeah. You know what?
I'm on the hill a little bit, so it's flexing the axle.
Okay, I'm about to say, like,
Golly, he's ripping through the grass. These Volinos might be really grippy. These tires have so much grip, it's absurd. Holy crap. Dude, that was insane. This thing felt so fast on these tires, and they're aired up. That's them Volinos for you. So fun. She just takes it. That'll probably be it for today's video. I planned on it just being a street race video, but it devolved into just an everything video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sure you guys enjoy seeing the Mustang. And I enjoy making the Mustang videos, so I appreciate all of you guys who watched till the end. If you watched till the end, there's actually a $200 gift card for illegaltender.com. on illegaltender.com to get $200 of free merchandise from Illegal Tender Diego. And there's a cop right there. Oops. Police. Good thing we're leaving at the speed limit. I wonder if my noisy Valinos are the reason for that. Or DM Diego on Illegal Tender on Instagram, illegaltender.co on Instagram. DM him, I sent you, and he'll give you a bunch of free stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you. Thank you all for your support. Well, it wasn't a successful race, but that was still fun.
Yeah.
Do you know why I won?
You got your interior.
This is why the 3-valve won. The lightweight chassis. This is like the R32. This is like the R33.
Yeah, big ass boat.
Big ass boat. Yeah, you can. This car, a lot of you probably don't remember. It was rear-ended and was almost totaled. From here back is from a yellow Mustang, and he stitched it right here. There's like stitch seams on the sides right there. And the trunk is from a yellow Mustang too. Why it's yellow on the inside. The trunk's being held in with self-tappers. He just self-tappered the plastic into here. All right, and the Mustang is now returned back to daily spec. Interior has been returned.
Onto that door, coming into the last outer zone. Right here is where you can start catching some doors to see if they can pull together. Coming in hot. Now, this is the spot where you guys got to get close.